everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Chairs on a Budget. Today I'll show you guys my everyday makeup routine, but before I do that, please subscribe to my channel and let's get started. So I'm starting off with a primer. Actually, it's two. I'm using the matte base primer from Kiko, and I'm using the Nivea Men Aftershave Balm because your girl got oily skin. Applying that to my face and letting that dry. The next step is me just putting on a little banana powder because, like I said, I have a really oily skin and I hate that shine. Now I'm using 3 foundations to get sort of my skin tone. That's the Skin Evolution from Kiko. That's the NYX Stay Matte Not Flat in the color Cocoa, and also the Matte Mousse from Kiko in the color Mahogany. So this is the amount that I put on my face. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that to my complete face, and this is the end result. So the next step, I'm gonna use the banana powder. I usually do this after my concealer, but I made a mistake and I did it before, but it actually worked out pretty good. I was really matte the whole day, so yay, I'm gonna do this like this from now on. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Suede Concealer. I didn't really like this one because it was really yellowy, but I kind of figured out how to use it. You really need to apply a lot in order for you not to look grayish and or yellow. I didn't know that, so I know that now, so I love it now. Just using my beauty blender to blend everything out, and the next step is gonna be baking. I am going to apply again the banana powder underneath my eyes, and I'm just gonna leave that there while I do my eyebrows. Yeah, my eyebrows. So this is the normal shape of my eyebrow. This is natural shape. I pluck maybe 2 or 3 hairs, but this is the shape of my eyebrow. So I'm not like the best person to do an eyebrow tutorial. Just basically color them in and clean them up. And this is how I clean them up, using Fawn concealer from LA Girl. I mean, every girl has this because it is really good to do your eyebrows with. I'm going to blend everything out and make everything smooth using a NYX No Filter foundation in the color Mahogany. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and use that on put it on a brush and just brush everything out and make it blend and make it look natural, because right now it looks kind of crazy. So I'm doing this to the rest of my face, getting rid of that banana powder, and this is what it looks like. So what do we need to do now? Contour. Hello, we need to contour, and I am doing that with the Fenty Beauty contour. Yo, look at this color. Look at this color. It is so warm and it is perfect for my skin tone. It just works so well. Just applying it to the usual areas, and now we're going to blend that in. Like I said, it is so warm, and I've been looking for a warm contour stick for the longest, and this is just the bee's knees. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and do a slight bakerization on my cheeks, and I would just leave it on for about like 1 to 2 minutes, not too long, not too crazy. And we're just gonna go ahead and use the NYX No Filter foundation again, or powder, sorry, and just dust everything off and make everything blend and look smoothless and seamless. So the next step is me putting on blush, and I have no idea where this blush is from. I probably bought it at some store. I think it was like €1, but look at that color and the pigmentation. I mean, come on. I'm so sorry that I don't know the color or the brand. I think it's been a while, but I'm not quite sure. And also, I'm sometimes really weird. I don't know if you guys do this too, but I use lip gloss and lipsticks often for blush, and this is a Wet n Wild matte lipstick, but it's so peachy and it's so nice. and I look so happy when I have it on. And I don't know if you guys do that too. And this is a highlighter. Also from the Matchsticks from Fenty Beauty. I bought the whole set just because of this highlighter. Not just because, but the girl was like, yeah, let me try everything out on you. And I was like, okay, okay. And when she did it, I was like, okay, yeah, okay. Just, you know, all of them. Just give me the set. Okay, let's do this. Look how natural. Glistening. Just glistening. Okay, so I'm going to add just a little more highlight. This is a Kiko highlighter, and it's also very nice. Now we're going to do lips. Lip gloss, no idea. It's from Wet n Wild. I'm using it more like a base because the Wet n Wild matte lip glosses, yeah, really ugly, I know. But the matte lip glosses are a real good base for any other lipstick or lip gloss you will use. I'm using the NYX Lingerie lip gloss matte, and I'm using this pencil from Essence. I don't know the color, but I will put it in the description box for real. And this is what it almost looks like, almost dry. And I got some lip gloss on my teeth. Yeah, I'm so charming. I am so charming. If this happens to you, this is the trick to stop it. I have eye extensions, so I will not be putting mascara onto those, but my bottom lashes could use a little mascara. And yeah, you're so great doing that off camera, so nobody can see what you're doing. Oh yeah, okay, raise up, great, thank you. So this is the end result. I'm just gonna go ahead and get ready with my hair and my outfit, and this is the end result. Yeah, so this was like the get ready with me video. This is what I do. This is what my makeup looks like. This is this is basically my day-to-day routine. I don't think it's like over the top at all, but you might think so, but I'm like, it's pretty natural. So I would like to thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for my new subscribers, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.